So let's just take a look at an example of how that might work. So let's go back to our prioritized map and come in here and say, let's look at our strengths. Let's remind ourselves of our leadership, of our top three. We said our leadership position. We've got a strong team and we've got an energized market. So our sector is lively, right? So how can we maybe wrap those up into an overarching objective? So what we do here is draw out a branch. And again, I might just change this to be a box branch that says OKRs. And in here, I'm going to say our objective is something. And then I'm going to create a little branch here that says our results will be. And this is where we're going to say 1, we're going to say 2, and we're going to say 3. So I'm going to apply that top 3 thinking once again. If you end up with 8 key results, you've given yourself too much to think about, too much to measure, and too much to monitor. So I really would encourage you, again, let's just hide this brainstorming, to really try and distill down something up here. So an objective maybe that wraps up all of these could be something like showcase leadership credentials. Whatever exactly that means, again, is not for me to think about right now, but maybe that's our OKR, our objective, our aspiration. So how will we measure that? Showcase our leadership credentials as measured by. How will we know if we've succeeded? Well, maybe we could come up with something quite measurable, like 2 press articles. Maybe other things we might look for is maybe a website traffic up by, let's be ambitious and say 25%, for example. Now we're giving ourselves here really measurable things, social media following plus 10%, for example. We're giving ourselves very measurable things that will tell us if we have succeeded in our reaching our objective or making progress towards it.